waterfall keeps on going, Zeta. Let's see, I'll back it up here. As you can see, we stopped it right about here where the trees are. It continued to fall down in this area here, the lower lying area. When we had that big rain the other day. And it went all the way down to the creek. Let's see if I can zoom in. My fingers are freezing. Let's see. Alright. Is it getting the creek? Back up. But anyhow, that's the creek over there, love. And we did good the other day, sweetheart. There's our little waterfall. Okay. I'm signing off. It's a little afternoon time. As you can see, the sun ain't coming out today. Alrighty. Bye, y'all.